Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to share movies in Disney Plus on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course, just go ahead to your Disney Plus applications, and after just go ahead to your profile. Now, if you wanna share the movies in Disney Plus to another applications, for example, I'm gonna tap on it like this, and simply just tap on this share options here, guys. Just go ahead, and in this pop-up, you can share these movies or series or more from Disney Plus to another applications like to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. You can also share it by a drop message and etc. guys. So if you want to share it, you just have to choose the contacts that you want to share with, or simply you just have to open the applications by this pop-up. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.